everyone, welcome back to my channel USA Cars Detail. Today we're taking a close look at the brand new 2026 Kawasaki KLX230 Sherpa S. This bike has just landed and it's already creating quite a buzz among trail riders and commuters alike. If you're someone who loves exploring backroads but also needs a reliable ride for the city, stick around because this little Sherpa might just be your next best companion. So, what makes the 2026 Sherpa S stand out? At its heart, it's powered by a 233 cubic centimeters air-cooled single-cylinder engine, tuned for smooth low-end torque and easy handling on both dirt and pavement. Kawasaki has refined the fuel injection system for this year, which means better throttle response and improved fuel efficiency, perfect for long rides off the beaten path. One of the big highlights is the upgraded suspension. The Sherpa S now gets a 37mm telescopic front fork and a revised rear shock with adjustable preload. This setup handles rough trails with ease and still keeps things comfortable when you're cruising through town. Speaking of comfort, the new seat design is slightly wider and better padded than the previous generation, so longer rides don't feel like a chore. Kawasaki didn't forget the practical stuff either. You get a digital instrument cluster that's clear and simple, showing speed, gear position, fuel level, and even a trip meter. There's also a handy USB charging port, so you can keep your devices powered while you're out exploring. The bike weighs just under 290 pounds wet, making it super manageable for beginners and seasoned riders alike. For 2026, Kawasaki added fresh color options and subtle graphics updates that give the Sherpa S a modern, rugged look without losing its classic dual-sport charm. The 21-inch front and 18-inch rear wheels wrapped in dual-purpose tires mean you can switch from asphalt to dirt without thinking twice. In real-world riding, the KLX230 Sherpa S shines with its easygoing nature. It's not intimidating, it's forgiving, and it's fun. Whether you're commuting to work, taking a shortcut through a forest trail, or learning how to handle off-road terrain, this bike won't let you down. So, if you're looking for a budget-friendly, low-maintenance bike that's ready for anything, the 2026 Kawasaki KLX230 Sherpa S deserves a test ride. Let me know what you think in the comments and don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more reviews and rides. See you on the next adventure.